In this lesson, we'll learn about fallback and payable functions. A fallback function is a kind of error handling and is called when a non-existent function is called on the contract. A payable function is just what it sounds like, a function that can receive ether. Check out the rest of this lesson for details. Let's look at an example of a fallback function. A fallback function has the following features. It is called when a non-existent function is called on the contract. It is required to be marked external. It has no name, no arguments, no return, and cannot be marked payable. It can be defined only once per contract. It will throw an exception if a contract receives ether without data, and it is limited to 2300 gas when called by another function. This is called a fallback function. It is declared payable, which allows it to accept ether. It is called in two scenarios. Number one, a contract receives ether without data, and number two, no function calls were matched, even though the account received data. So let's take a look. We have a contract, payable, which can receive ether. When we call this function deposit, this will be automatically updated, and it works because we've declared it payable. However, if we try to call a function not payable, which we call not payable, and we don't declare it payable, this function will throw an error.